Good morning. It's Lunes, May 11 and first day na pasukan na sa kindergarten ni Sofia. So, ako na lang mag-isa. Nakalis na sila dalawa ni Bana. Medyo pangit yung weather kasi malamig siya. Nag-iinit lang ako ng pandesal at saka ng bread. Tinutoast ko siya. Ay, nasunog. Tinutoast ko siya para parang fresh pa rin kainin. Oh, sunog nga ako. Sunog siya, guys. Pero it's fine. Parang nag-change ata yung setting kagabi. Tapos, nag-iinit ako ng tubig para makainom ako ng mainit na kakao lang ata ako, hindi ako magkakape. So, naglinis na ako kagabi, guys. If you're wais, maglinis na kayo sa gabi para in the morning makapag-YouTube ako. Hindi, naglinis na ako dito. And then, meron na akong mga pinapanood na mga friends natin. Tapos, ay, patayin ko tong TV mo na unplug ko. Main kasi si Sofia dito kanina. Ayan. Maaga siyang gumising ha. Na-late nga kami. 6. Dapat 6. Pero sa tulog na tulog pa siya. So, 6:20. Ginising ko na. And then, ayun, nagising ka agad. Narinig niya na medyo nag-ingay kasi ako para magising siya ng natural. So, tapos yun, nag-bis na siya kumain. Tapos, nung nakita niya yung dada niya, ayun, understood na sa otak niya na sasama din siya. So, ayun, nakaalis na silang dalawa. Maglilinis ako sa taas today. Kasi ang sarap na maglinis ng walang bata, na walang mga distractions and interruptions. Makaka-relate kayo niyan. 'Di ba? Pangit lang yung weather, hindi ako makapunta sa labas. And yung flowers ni Bana andito pa din, yeah. Yung iba nag-start na mag-bloom. Ayan, start na siya mag-bloom. Meron pa dito din, madami pa din mga buds. Rose buds, ayan. Madami pa din. So, walang ganap kahapon. Namalansya si Bana ng anniversary namin at Mother's Day. Wala lang, talagang sa bahay lang and relax. Kasi nagre-ready for today. Then ako maglinis taas kasi bukas papasok na ako and balik-bike na naman tayo.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게
maaga ako.
Salamat.
Sige, thank you ah.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I-hold ko na siya kaagad kasi may frozen ako. Ito yung banana leaves. Meron akong hotdog, longganisa, tsaka hotdog. Tapos roller coaster chips, Mr. Chips, and then chippy. Naubusan siya nung Nova. Ito din, Mr. Chips. Binigyan niya ako ng free mamasitas na sarsa. Thank you. Tapos yung sugar ko, pang sugar for the biko. Ito yun siya. And then, dalawang luncheon meat. Ito, favorite ni Sofia. Ito pala yung gusto niya. Hindi pala yung meatloaf at saka beefloaf. Ito pala yun. And then, grabe. Ang dami kong na-order na Pinoy food this week. Yung akin 2 days ago. Tapos, eto din. So, okay lang yan kasi kakainin naman, diba? So, kung dito kayo sa bandang Limburg, umorder kayo sa CLT Enterprise. Yan yung website niya. Ilalagay ko po doon sa description box yung link niya para makapag-order kayo kaagad. So, ayun. So, I'm here guys sa taas kasi namamalan siya si Bana. And I wanted to tell him about dun sa TikTok videos namin. So, sa lahat ng nag-follow sa aming TikTok, we already have 2,000 followers. And yung isang viral na video doon, around, naasa ano na siya ngayon, 350,000 views. So, yung video na yon yung nagpa-viral sa amin. And, alam nyo ba kung anong nangyari? It was removed by TikTok, and then nag-submit ako ng re-appeal. Nag-re-appeal ako. And dahil wala naman sabi nila community guidelines daw, so I don't think it's fair. So binalik nila ulit yung video. But then, bakit yun siya nag-viral? Kasi, sweetheart, I'll just say it first in Bisaya. Sabi, here are the mean comments that they said about, maybe let's sit down here. Bana is doing the ironing.
Bana's trying to do that.
Trying to do the ironing, pero si Sofia kasi at saka ako andito. So, not yet. So, as you can see, we are in the
Love-making room.
love-making room daw. Gawa na naman niya. He's making his own. So, basahin ko yung guys meron ding mga nagko-comment sa TikTok hindi nyo alam. Yung parang sabihin nila na ang harot daw. Tapos, dito din sabi ni Simply Marge, sabi niya, 1 hour pa lang, madami ng views. So, dun yun nag-start. And then, meron din akong mga napansin na, I thought he is the grandpa. I was waiting for the hubby to come out. What can you say about it?
I am no grandpa.
Kasi yung video, guys,
I am the father and the husband.
the husband. First time na he was bashed in YouTube. He was never even called as grandpa or tatay, ganon.
I felt insulted.
Sorry. Oo. Madaming na ganun kasi nakaupo lang siya tapos yung buhok niya super white. Your hair is already white and your color was so pale. So they
Her
thought that you were the grandpa.
Her
Something like that.
Stress.
Tapos, yeah, and then meron din nag-comment na just for fun. And meron ding nagsabi na Joker si Sir, and then meron ang dami. Let him dance too.
No way.
And then sa another one, wow, happy couple. Kamaayo mo sad-sad sis, kimbot pa more. Why libog si Bana? So, yung mga ganun comments. Ano na kasi yun for fun. Tapos, in-explain ko pala kay TikTok na,
It's just spontaneous for me.
yeah, I was just doing the TikTok thing, I was dancing next to my husband, and then he was trying to disturb me. That's it. That's the purpose of the video. That was the video, but then yeah, they removed it. But after a few hours, they put it back.
No apology from them.
So sabi din dito, love age doesn't matter if you really love the someone.
What's age? It's just a number.
It's just a number. Getting old. Agay. Agis kita to eh. Then there's also another, it's a kind of cute and sweet relationship. Let them be happy. Oh, kaya nyo yon? This was sabi na, cool, sweet ni daddy. Cute and sweet. Haha, nice one. Be happy both and enjoy life. God bless you both. Madami ding mga mga nice comments like that. Pero yung talaga tinawag na grandpa, oh my God, high blood ako. And then there's another one here. Isa na naman Pilipina ang nakaahon sa hirap. Dada, if I translate this one to you, another Filipina who's something like nakaahon, something like ano ba yung nakaahon? Yung parang another Filipina that her life will be better because I married a foreigner or I am with a foreigner. What can you say? Not true! Ano ba? So mean.
Mixed couples always work out better.
Yeah, but I mean, he said something like a Filipina married to a foreigner, so Filipinas are gold diggers. Something
They
like
are!
that.
I'm so poor!
Poor na poor yung asawa ko, so walang gold na ididig. And meron ding isa nito, ang ganda ng comment niya. Mga walang magawa kundi manghusga. Nag-i-enjoy lang naman si ate at wala naman siyang ginagawang masama sa inyo. Ano ngayon kung matanda na asawa niya? Yun diba? Nasa 50s pa lang to si Bana, guys. Hindi yan siya talagang matanda. So ito, kwela ng husband niya.
There's people with bigger age gaps than us.
Yes, meron pang mas madaming matataas yung age gaps. So it doesn't matter. Age doesn't matter.
As long
Ang
as you
cute
love
po,
each
sana, yeah, ang cute po, sana all husbands are into social media. Once in a while lang to siya, sabi niya, don't force me. Sabi niya.
Cheating.
Tapos another one, sabi ni Pusong Bato 68, ganyan naman talaga, ibang lahi, kahit bata pa sila, puti na ang buhok at wala sa age ang tunay na nagmamahalan. Wow, that's very nice. So, mas madami pa guys. So, if you want to check the comments doon, follow us on TikTok, NL. And, yeah, para makita nyo. So,
Hey,
that's it, Sophia. Let's what you call this one? Let's
hug!
let's stop the vlog. Can you say about it, Dada? Like calling your grandpa and all that.
Look, hey.
Huh? What can you say about it? So, that's all for now. Kasi si
Say nothing.
Sophia, huh?
They're at fault. They should have apologised, but they didn't.
What? Because of the video taking it?
For taking it off and then not looking at other videos that are even worse than that one.
Yeah, but what I ask you is, what's your reaction about you calling grandpa?
I'm not grandpa.
So, yun na yun. Okay? Okay. Bye, guys!
I'm no grandpa because I have no grandchildren.
Bye!
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지